install with WordPress. It's pretty easy. Now let's go ahead and start getting to the real part, the real fun. Let's start blogging or whatnot. So if you remember, you're gonna have to log into the back end. We have already logged into the back end. If not, you're gonna have to use your admin and password. So let's go ahead and get started with posts. So the difference between a post and a page. A post is essentially going to fall into a scrolling list of updates, where a page is something that's more static. This isn't a rule that can't be broken, but this is the easiest way to think about it. Posts would typically scroll down in this area, and pages would show up here. So pages are more static. So like if you're going to make a contact us page, it would be a page. Or if you're going to make like an update talking about how you just installed this great new blog, you would actually do it as a post. So let's go ahead and run you through the post editor. So if you click on post, you're going to see the post that you have already posted. WordPress automatically posts this, so you have something to show. So let's go ahead and add new. When you add a new post, you have this bar, which is the title bar, and basically this is the title of the post, and this is basically the text or the body of the post. And so let's just go ahead and say this is a test post. And since I don't really feel like writing a whole bunch of stuff because my spelling is horrible and you guys probably laugh at it, I'm going to grab some text from, let's say, a text generator. Here we go. And I use this a lot for generating, and we're just going to make, say, 2 paragraphs worth of stuff. I'll paste this in. So you have a visual editor and an HTML editor. You will probably end up using the visual editor. However, once you get comfortable with HTML, I would suggest you using this. Yeah, so you have your text in here. Let's go ahead and hit Save Draft. And let's preview it. This will show you what your post will look like. This is your test post. So look at that, you're already blogging. It's kind of crazy, isn't it? So let's go back in, and let's say you wanted to add an image. You would click right here. This will open up a media file manager. So all you do from here is you select your files. So you hit select, and I was just selling a printer on Craigslist. So we'll go ahead and show you the printer. Upload it. Goes ahead and uploads it. Makes a thumbnail. You get to name it. We'll just say this is the top side of the printer box. And you don't necessarily always want it full size. You probably want it medium. And I would typically say alignment left and insert in a post. Sometimes it'll work different depending on how the theme is set up. They may not have it. Each theme is different. Each designer has different standards. I would suggest if you're going to be serious about blogging, use Thesis. But yeah, so here you go. So that's how you add an image, and it's quick and easy. And so let's say we wanted to post this. Let's go back to the admin and hit publish. Well, before we do that, let's talk about categories and tags. Tags are basically you can tag it with anything you want. Typically, categories are used as folders to hold specific types of posts. I would suggest using a ton of tags and only using a few categories. So for this one, we'll just use add a new category and technology. If I spelled that right. I love spell check, if you can't tell. So we'll go ahead and then we'll say printer and comma top side specs. We'll hit add. So add all those for us. Let's publish. So once we publish it, it's going to allow us to view the post. Let's go ahead and do so. Open it in a new tab for ease of use, and let's close the preview in that window. This one. So this is live on our site, and you'll see here it shows p equals 3. That's not very friendly because it doesn't define it. So let's fix that real quick. I should have probably ran you through how to do this in the settings, but since we're doing this on the fly, here we go. Go to settings and go to permalinks. Once you're here, I would suggest you use just the post name. So to do this, the easiest way is to just click on name or month and name and just remove this. So what this will do is once you update this, save it. Let's go back to this and refresh. You'll see up here will change. See, now it's the title of this. So this is a test post. This is a test post. It's great, good for SEO. You'll see that this is up here. Works great. So hopefully this has been helpful. Actually, before I end this tutorial, let's go over a page too. Let's go back to the admin area. Start with pages. So go ahead and hit add new. Once again, we'll do a contact us. And hi, interested in contacting. You can do so easily at nick@nicholasreese.com. Now, this is where you're gonna get to see how the actual editor works. Let's say we want to make this a link. You're going to want to highlight it, copy, and add a link here. Now, we want to remember that this is an email, so you're going to want to set it as mail to, colon, then the address, and insert it. So just publish this real quick, since this is just a rough overview of how the back end works. And we'll refresh it, and you should see it appears up here. And there we go.